Ako si Doc Rob, chiropractor dito sa Pilipinas. And if you're dealing with tennis elbow, you and I both know how frustrating this can be. That nagging pain on the outside of your elbow, every time you grip, lift, or twist, it flares up. It doesn't just affect athletes. This is office workers, parents, weekend warriors, anyone. The good news is tennis elbow is fixable, and you don't need shots or surgery to heal. You need the right movements done consistently. Today I'm going to show you the top 5 exercises to help heal tennis elbow naturally using PT and kinesiology back techniques. Let's get started. Okay, exercise number 1, wrist extensor stretch. So this, you're just going to bring your arm out, the inflamed arm. You're going to bring your palm down. You're going to take your opposite hand and pull your fingers towards your body. What you're doing is you're stretching the inflamed tendon and you're reducing the stress on the joint. You're going to hold for 20 to 30 seconds. This is called an extensor stretch. Holding for 20 to 30 seconds, you'll do this 3 to 5 times. Holding for 20 to 30 seconds. That's exercise number 1. Okay, exercise number 2, isometric wrist extension hold. What you're going to do is you're going to put your forearm on the table. Okay, here's the injured joint. You don't want to move the joint, but we want to strengthen the tendons and the muscle. So we're going to make a fist and we're going to try to raise our wrist up, flexing this. But our other hand is going to resist that. That is called isometric. So it's strengthening the tendon and the muscle without aggravating the joint. So you'll do this for 10 seconds, you'll hold, and you're going to do this 5 times. Isometric wrist hold. So palm down, try to raise your wrist up, but you're resisting with your other hand. Again, strengthening the tendon and the muscle without aggravating the joint. Okay, exercise 3, eccentric wrist extension. This one's a game changer for tendon strength and healing. So what you're going to do, again, forearm stabilized on the table, palm facing down, holding a very light dumbbell, 1 to 2 pounds. With the free hand, you're going to bring your wrist up. You're going to really help it. And then you're going to eccentric. You're going to just allow for 5 seconds to go down. And that's creating strength in the tendon and the muscle. That's 1 repetition. You're going to bring it up again with the free hand, and you're going to let it go down for 3 to 5 seconds. That's 2 repetitions. Then you're going to bring it up again, wrist up, and you're going to let it go down. This is called eccentric movement. It's promoting healing and strength of the tendon, again like this. You're going to do this for 10 repetitions, 3 times. Bringing it up and letting it go down slowly over 5 seconds, eccentric. Okay, exercise 4, pronation and supination strengthening. This is very important. If you're having pain opening doorknobs, right, it's that pronation and supination is aggravating. We must strengthen the tendon. So we're going to grab a hammer or a light bar like this. You're going to hold your elbow at your side, 90 degrees, and you're just going to first go in supination, okay? And then you're going to go face down, palm down, pronation. And then you're going to go in supination, and then you're going to go in pronation. Doing 10 to 15 repetitions, pronation, supination. So you're strengthening the tendon so we can help heal that elbow pain. Okay, the 5th and final exercise, towel twist. This is a very simple but very powerful exercise. You're going to hold a towel, each arm at 90 degrees, side by side like this. And you're going to just do 10 repetitions, twisting the towel. Okay, so again, you're kind of flexing that tendon, getting the strength, and then you're going to go 10 repetitions in the opposite direction. Okay, then you're going to go 10 repetitions, going forward again, and then you're going to do 10 repetitions going backwards. So you're kind of like wringing out the towel. And then you're going to do 10 repetitions in the opposite direction. So this promotes strength to the tendon and the muscle, and it's going to promote healing. So these are the top 5 tennis elbow exercises. So let's review. Start slow. These are gentle, progressive movements. Do them once or twice a day consistently. Mild discomfort is okay, but stop if you feel sharp pain. Combine these with rest, proper ergonomics, and chiropractic care to help reduce inflammation and restore alignment. Tennis elbow takes time, but with the right plan, you will heal. If this video helped you, give it a like, drop a comment with your progress, and subscribe for more health and rehab content. If you're in the Philippines, come and visit us at one of our Doc Rob chiropractic clinics. Let's get you back to doing what you love pain-free. Thanks for watching. Stay strong, stay consistent, and stay aligned.